Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rap meme. First, let's understand the core ingredients that make a meme truly pop. Think about what makes certain phrases stick in your head for days. We will then dive into writing those catchy lyrics, ensuring your message is clear and engaging. And finally, we will explore easy ways to produce your track, bringing it all together with the right beat and visuals. It is quite an enjoyable process. Every great rap meme begins with a clear, resonant idea. Consider what makes people laugh or nod in agreement. Next, develop a memorable hook, a single line or short phrase that sticks in everyone's mind after just one listen. Combine this with a beat that matches your meme's energy, perhaps a simple, consistent rhythm that is easy to hum along with, like a classic boom-bap style or a modern trap beat. These foundational elements are crucial for widespread adoption. When writing your lyrics, brevity is key. A short, sharp delivery often performs best in the fast-paced meme landscape. Focus on straightforward rhymes, ensuring your message is clear without needing complex vocabulary, and maintain a steady, easy-to-follow flow. Structure your rap with perhaps one or two short verses and a repeated hook. Remember to include that clever punchline, adding a moment of humor or realization that people will want to share. Now it is time to bring your meme to life in audio form. Select an instrumental beat that truly supports your lyrics and sets the right mood. There are many royalty-free options available. Record your vocals in a quiet environment, speaking clearly and with appropriate energy, making sure your voice is distinct. Then, perform some basic mixing, simply balancing your voice's volume against the beat and adding a touch of reverb or echo if it enhances the overall feel. These simple steps make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.